Watching this story will deeply touch your heart, as the battle between doubt and love will make you think in a whole new way. Just watch the story, and you'll see for yourself how important truth and trust are in love.
This is the story of a farmer named Rahmat, a hardworking man who spent his days tending his fields under the blazing sun. His wife, Fozia, was always by his side, bringing food, washing his clothes, and helping him with chores. Together, they had 3 children, a son, Ali, and 2 daughters, Safia and Zara. Their life was simple, filled with routine, school for the children, and long hours in the fields for Rahmat and Fozia. But beneath the simplicity of their lives, a storm was quietly brewing. Fozia had begun to doubt her husband's heart. She often wondered why Rahmat no longer looked at her the way he once did, why his eyes seemed lost in thought even when he was home. Every late return from the fields made her restless. She feared his love had drifted away, and that his long hours of labor were meant for someone else. Rahmat, however, worked tirelessly not for wealth, but for his family's future. He dreamed of educating his children, giving them the life he never had. His calloused hands and weary face carried the story of his devotion. Yet his silence became his enemy. Fozia's suspicions deepened with every unspoken word, twisting her heart between love and fear. One day, unable to bear the turmoil, Fozia confronted him. "You work so hard, but who is all this for?" she asked. "Is it really for us?" Rahmat paused, his eyes heavy with pain. "Everything I do is for you and our children," he said softly. "But if you keep doubting me, I'll lose the strength to keep going. Love cannot survive where there's no trust." His words struck deep. In that moment, Fozia's doubts melted away, leaving behind only guilt and realization. That night, under the quiet sky, they talked like they hadn't in years. The silence that had divided them dissolved into tears, apologies, and renewed affection. From that day forward, Fozia chose faith over fear, and Rahmat continued his labor with a lighter heart. Together, they built a stronger bond, rooted not in suspicion, but in understanding. The story reminds us that doubt is like a swamp. It traps and suffocates love. Only through honesty, trust, and open hearts can relationships breathe and grow strong again. This story teaches us that doubt shrinks the heart and weakens love. We must prove our love by communicating openly and trusting each other so that the relationship can grow stronger. Hard work and trust are the things that bring a family closer together. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to our channel so you never miss more motivational stories and success secrets. Subscribe and share with your friends so that they too can bring positive change to their lives. Move forward and take a step towards your dreams.